The shocking benefits of adding this simple powder to your coffee. For many people, coffee is more than just a way to wake up, it's a daily ritual. But what if that same cup could do more than energize you? For countless adults over 60, coffee might be quietly draining their strength. Or, with the right addition, helping rebuild it faster than some costly supplements. After the age of 60, the body naturally loses up to 8% of muscle mass per decade, increasing the chances of weakness, falls, and even premature aging. Yet, here's what most people don't know: when combined with certain natural ingredients, that same cup of coffee can become a powerful health tonic. Research that's often overlooked reveals that these ingredients can help reduce inflammation, support heart health, target stubborn belly fat, and even help restore lost muscle. Big supplement companies don't talk about them. There's simply no major profit in these natural options. Today, you'll discover 8 science-backed ingredients you can mix into your coffee each morning, ranked from number 8 all the way to number 1. Be sure to stay until the end, because ingredient number 4 is truly remarkable. One clinical study found it improved mobility in older adults by over 40%, yet very few people in the West have ever heard of it. Before we jump in, I'd love to know, how old are you, where are you watching from, and how's your health been lately? Share your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Number 8, cinnamon. Most people think of cinnamon as just a dessert spice. But when added to your coffee, it becomes a powerful muscle-protecting ingredient. It's packed with compounds that fight inflammation, improve blood flow, and most importantly, stabilize blood sugar, something crucial for anyone over 60. Unstable blood sugar drains your muscles of energy and speeds up muscle loss. Take Mark, 67, who often felt tired after lunch and noticed his legs getting weaker. On his wife's advice, he started adding cinnamon to his morning coffee. Within a few weeks, his energy returned, his legs felt stronger, and his blood sugar dropped by nearly 20 points. Even his doctor was impressed. Science explains why. Steady blood sugar helps muscles absorb nutrients and maintain strength. Just half a teaspoon of cinnamon in your morning coffee can help. Choose Ceylon cinnamon, since it's safer and lower in coumarin. Number 7, cocoa powder. The same cocoa used for hot chocolate can turn your coffee into a hidden superfood, as long as it's unsweetened. Cocoa is packed with flavanols, natural compounds that boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and support muscle recovery. Strong circulation is key as we age. Poor blood flow means less oxygen and fewer nutrients reaching your muscles, leading to weakness and fatigue. Cocoa helps change that. Take Grace, 71, who loved her morning coffee but felt her legs grow heavy during walks. Her grandson suggested adding a spoon of cocoa to her cup. Within weeks, her energy returned, her walks felt lighter, and even her blood pressure improved. Research backs this up. Flavanols help blood vessels relax and deliver more oxygen-rich blood. When combined with caffeine, cocoa gives you both energy and improved circulation. Use unsweetened natural cocoa powder, not sugary mixes. Just a teaspoon adds rich flavor and powerful muscle benefits, proving that staying strong isn't just about protein, but also healthy blood flow. Number 6, coconut oil. It might sound unusual, but in many parts of Asia, adding this oil to coffee has been a long-standing tradition, helping older adults stay energized in both body and mind. For seniors, it's not just a trend, it's a simple way to boost steady energy, protect muscle, and even support fat loss. Here's why it works. Unlike regular fats, medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are quickly converted into ketones, a clean and efficient fuel for your brain and muscles. As we age, our bodies become less effective at using glucose, which often leads to fatigue, brain fog, and weakness. Ketones provide consistent energy without the sugar crashes. Take Daniel, 69, who enjoyed his morning coffee but often felt tired before noon and reached for sugary snacks to stay alert. His son suggested adding a teaspoon of MCT oil to his coffee. At first, Daniel laughed at the idea of oily coffee, but after a week, he noticed a big difference. Steady energy, fewer cravings, and even a slimmer waist after 2 months. His doctor was pleasantly surprised by his improved energy and focus. To try it yourself, start with 1 teaspoon of coconut or MCT oil in your coffee and blend it well for a creamy texture. Increase gradually as your body adapts. With consistency, this small habit trains your body to burn fat more efficiently while keeping your muscles powered all day. Number 5, milk or soy milk. It may seem simple, but adding milk or soy milk to your coffee does more than just smooth the taste. It can actually help preserve muscle, especially after 60. Milk provides complete protein, including leucine, the key amino acid that stimulates muscle growth. Soy milk offers a high-quality plant-based protein plus isoflavones, which help protect bones and support heart health. For older adults, where every gram of protein matters, even a small splash can make a real difference. Take Margaret, 72, who always drank her coffee black, believing it was the healthiest choice. But when her daughter, a nurse, noticed her strength fading, she suggested adding soy milk. Within a few months, Margaret felt stronger, carried groceries with ease, and even saw slight improvement in her bone density, a rare and welcome change at her age. Just half a cup of milk or soy milk adds 4 to 6 grams of protein, enough to help prevent overnight muscle loss. Choose lactose-free milk if you're sensitive, or fortified soy milk for a plant-based option. Unlike sugary creamers, milk and soy milk strengthen muscles, bones, and energy all at once. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health insights. And share in the comments how your health journey is going. Number 4, collagen powder. Most people think of collagen as a beauty supplement, but for older adults, it's much more than that. Collagen is the structural glue that keeps your muscles, joints, and bones strong. After 60, your body produces about 1% less collagen each year, which is why stiffness, aching joints, and slow recovery become common. Adding collagen powder to your morning coffee can help reverse that decline. Take Frank, 70, who loved gardening but dreaded the soreness that followed. On his neighbor's advice, he started mixing collagen into his coffee. Within 2 months, his knee pain eased, his movements felt smoother, and he could kneel in the garden again, pain-free. Here's why it works. Collagen provides essential amino acids like glycine and proline, the raw materials your muscles and joints need to rebuild. 1 scoop adds around 10 grams of easy-to-digest protein that blends perfectly into coffee without altering the taste. The coffee itself boosts circulation, helping collagen reach where it's needed most. The result? Stronger muscles, healthier joints, and better bone density. In fact, a 2022 study found that seniors who took collagen experienced less joint pain, faster recovery, and improved flexibility. Number 3, whey protein powder. Many believe protein shakes are only for athletes, but after 60, they're even more important. As you age, your body becomes less responsive to protein, a condition called anabolic resistance. Simply put, the same serving that once built muscle now barely works. That's why older adults need more and better quality protein to stay strong. Whey protein is perfect for this. It's packed with leucine, the amino acid that activates muscle growth. Studies show seniors who use whey gain up to 38% more lean muscle and improve strength, balance, and walking speed. Take Margaret, 67. She stayed active but found everyday tasks harder. Her son suggested adding a scoop of unflavored whey protein to her coffee. Within weeks, her arms felt stronger, her legs steadier, and even her doctor noticed more muscle. Just mix 1 scoop of whey isolate into your morning coffee. It blends easily, adds no sugar, and supports recovery. If you're lactose sensitive, go for whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey. Number 2, chia seeds. Tiny, tasteless, and often overlooked, yet one of the most powerful additions you can make to your coffee after 60. When ground and stirred into a hot cup, chia seeds release fiber, omega-3s, and plant protein, exactly what your muscles, joints, and brain need. Most older adults get less than half the fiber and omega-3s they require, which speeds up muscle loss, belly fat, and even memory decline. Chia seeds fix all 3. Their protein preserves muscle, omega-3s fight inflammation, and fiber improves digestion and energy. Just grind them first. Whole seeds often pass through undigested. 1 to 2 teaspoons make your coffee creamy and nutrient-rich, helping you move better and age stronger. Number 1, turmeric with black pepper. A golden duo that looks simple but works like natural medicine for anyone over 60. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to fight inflammation, protect the heart, and support muscle recovery. The catch? Your body absorbs very little on its own, but add a pinch of black pepper, and absorption skyrockets by nearly 2,000%, turning this spice into a true powerhouse. Inflammation is the hidden enemy of aging. It weakens muscles, stiffens joints, and slows recovery. Turmeric helps reverse that process. Combined with coffee's natural circulation boost, it creates a potent anti-aging combo that keeps you active and mobile. To try it yourself, stir turmeric and pepper into hot coffee. The warmth releases curcumin's benefits. Add a touch of cinnamon or honey if you prefer a milder taste. This golden blend proves that aging doesn't mean decline. By calming inflammation and supporting your muscles, heart, and brain, a single cup can help you stay strong, sharp, and independent, well into your later years. Before you go, remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always check with your doctor before making any dietary changes, especially if you take medications. So, which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to stay strong and energized at any age.